Okay. Okay, guys, we're good to go. That's Felix here. He's got this puppy started up here. And here it is. They're going to start tearing this puppy down. Here's how we do it. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Now he's going to spray that water. I don't know if you guys can see it okay or not. There it goes. Knocking that thing down. I'm going to stand over here so you guys can see it okay. Yep, that's it. Look at him, man. That's it. I'm going to tear it down. He's going to scrape that whole part of it. Watch. It's going to be crazy when he scrapes it. So they're spraying water on it. That keeps the dust from getting all over the neighborhood and everywhere. You definitely want to dress very casual when you come to the demo. I made the joke with them. I said, should I stand inside while you do it? Pretty wild, right? Now you can see why it's important to make sure you have electric capped off and especially natural gas. You really scrape that on the ground pretty hard here. Oh, look at this. He's not gonna, oh, he's gonna go. Oh, he's gonna push it. Oh, look at that. That's pretty nice. Alright, whoa. Just like that. I'm definitely not going to hang around all day. It's going to be dusty, dirty, smelly. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, that house stunk inside too. And the other thing is when they're pulling permits for this, a lot of the oil is like these trees and so forth. Some are going to stay, so they did a tape. Usually you'll put tape on one stays and one goes. Look at that whole roof just tearing down. Whole section of that roof, just like that. Look at all that fiberglass and stuff, got a really bad. The power of hydraulic. Raptors going down, see all those roof trusses? Coming down. Looks like it's going to go after all the wood, pile up the wood, and then probably get into the cement plant. You guys enjoying this? Kind of fun, right? It's kind of tear down treasures. You make 6 figures doing this. Oh. I don't know if you guys saw that. I'm just gonna leave this on for a bit, guys. Just watch it. sound, that's the sound of money being made. Love it. Getting in there. Ooh. Just brushing that roof down. Now, sometimes you bring the water truck out to get even more water on it, but I guess he's in a bigger building you can do that. Keep up to this, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Pretty cool, right? But yeah, this is teardown treasures. Find those teardowns, make lots out of them. Investors will buy them. Rehabbers gonna want to do new construction. Builders, there's a market for it. And now that you've seen the process, you can help them with the process. You can tell them post-closing, you'll help with the demo, you'll help with, when I say demo, I mean the demolition, you'll help with the teardown, you'll help you all with the pretty cool gig. It's gonna be good to jump in the pool after this today. Carpet, look at that carpeting. This guy's doing a his name is Felix. He's doing a very methodical job here. He's bringing that big pile in the garage. So if you'd love to do this, you'd love to have a gig like this where you can make 6 figures a deal, go to bit.ly land banking millions yes. Again, bit.ly /. This is a lot of fun. It's a great, look at the weather. It's a great day, a great way to spend the day, right? So it's an awesome day now. Having a good time here doing this. You'll have a nice lunch, jump in the pool a little bit later, and you make your 6 figures with the deal. And all the work is done. These deals are everywhere. They're all around your neighborhood. You just drive around, look onto the mic steering, just drive around, you're gonna find them. Nobody wants stuff like this. So when you do this and you show them the lot, and you get a land banking goods, we show you how to do the renderings, and we show you how to sell these fast. So you can buy in the morning, go to lunch, and sell in the afternoon. We're gonna show you how to do all that. So go to bit.ly /land banking millions yes. Again, bit.ly /land banking millions yes. Get on in here. This is a cool gig. This is a great way to do lots. It's a great way to invest in land. Hell, look, I love the single family plot of lots. It's my bread and butter. But when you do that and you run across these big deals where you put 6 figures in your pocket, that's an awesome way to go. And you guys are going to love it. So definitely want to see you guys jump on it, doing deals like this. And type in below. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think about this. You having a good time watching? It's pretty cool. Oh, bring a lot of water too, because you get thirsty. I'm already thirsty. Good thing I got a cooler for you. I got a pitcher at sea in the car. I got some water. But this guy's jamming pretty quick on it. What a mess. What a mess, right? That makes me giant. Woo! Who's watching? Who's on there? See someone on here? Jump on in. Let me know what you guys think about this. Good way to spend the day, right? Not bad. Hey, come on down to Key West. We're going to be in Key West in 2 weeks. Come on down, and we're going to do stuff like this. We're going to be in the field, doing in the field training. You guys are all done. Woo! Oh, look at you see when he's hitting that concrete, you see the crane, the excavator kind of move around a bit. Oh, let's see if he goes for a big swing. Getting that momentum for the big swing. There you can see that. I really want to see him pound that concrete down. Hurricane Felix. That's the driver's name, Felix. He only speaks Spanish. When you're down here in Miami, you brush up on your Spanish. El Tropico Felix. All right, man. Wow, this is. Oh, yeah, you can see that corner. Just like that. We call the path of progress. So anyway, all right, guys. Hope you guys had a good time watching that for a bit. We'll pop on in. We'll do some more. Keep watching it and see how it all goes. It's gonna take a couple days to get all this thing to get it fully done. All this guy, he's really jamming on it. So wouldn't that be funny if I went in there? That'd be kind of crazy, right? So he's really jamming on it. But so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed watching that. Maybe you learned a little bit, and you just figured this teardown strategy is great. I am working on. In addition to this one, I got two other teardowns. Both teardowns are beachfront. You guys just saw that video, that beachfront. So I've got that one. That's gonna be a big one. So you guys always see me looking down when I'm walking around. You never know looking around. And but anyway, so yeah, so that's that. And so this, if you like this strategy, you think this might be something you want to do, and you find it, I'm not gonna say it's easy, but look, it's pretty simple. You drive around, you see a dumper like this, you pretty much know that's the kind of thing to get, especially when it's some beautiful homes like what you see over here, right? So it's pretty easy to figure that out. Look at that one over there. That little one-story, we call kind of a cracker box, shoebox house. That's the kind of deal right there that I'd go and make an offer on that, and they keep it pretty nice, but still they get a nice, pretty penny for it. So it doesn't always. And this isn't even beachfront. This isn't even waterfront. There's another video that I did. One of the original videos I've ever done was about urban infill. Now this isn't necessarily an urban area, but if you have those areas near downtown. Areas near where like the hot, I call them the Tony areas, where you see a lot of rebirth, a lot of regeneration happening, where you see you'll know it's happening. You see a lot of really nice painted homes amidst some dumpers. You'll see really nice designs going in. You'll see the area will get like a kind of a rebirth. You'll see like coffee houses going up. You'll see the yoga studio going up. You'll see some trendy, you know, boutiques, some trendy restaurants and stuff like that. You'll see that. That's the kind of things the areas you want to look for. But this area right here, this is just a regular neighborhood, okay? It's not on the water, okay? You know, the beach is not too far, but it's not too close either. Just a great, you know, popular area here, and that's all there is to it. So, but the house is definitely a dumper amidst, you know, higher price homes. So that's the good part too. So you want to look for those higher price homes and then the dumpers. Okay, so now I'm over here in South Florida, my hometown. Well, I live in Sarasota. Now in Sarasota, I'm doing this strategy closer to downtown. I'm doing it on the beach. I'm doing it in areas very close. Like we have Siesta Key in Sarasota. I'm doing it around there. So you're gonna focus on different areas where you are. So it all depends upon where you are. But hey, I'd love to see you guys in Land Banking Millions. Go to bit.ly/Land Banking Millions. Yes, you can jump on in, learn all about this strategy, what I call teardown treasures, and just keep buying lots. Lots is a great investment. And everyone, all the investors, they want to do all these rehabs where they got to, you know, spend their money, deal with contractors, fix and flip these things. You saw what a mess that was in there. Imagine trying to rehab something like that. Look, I'm not saying all rehabs are that much of a mess, but they're all big jobs. And I'll tell you, every single person who does a rehab, this always happens. They have two problems. The contractors take twice the amount of time they said they would, and the budget's always double the amount. And the third problem is the profit they thought they were going to make usually cut in half. So it's never really a great strategy. So I'll see you guys here. Go to bit.ly/Land Banking Millions. See you guys later. Awesome.